Did you know your diet can play a significant role in keeping your lungs healthy? While many of us focus on eating right for weight management, heart health, or overall wellness, we often overlook how our food choices can impact our respiratory system. Yet, our lungs, key to keeping us alive and active, deserve just as much attention. In today's video, we'll explore 6 incredible foods that can naturally cleanse and strengthen your lungs. Stick around until the end because you'll also learn how these foods help combat the effects of air pollution, smoking, and other lung-damaging factors. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more health-boosting tips. Let's dive in. 1. Foods rich in beta-carotene. When you think of beta-carotene, carrots likely come to mind. But did you know it's also found in sweet potatoes, apricots, red bell peppers, and pumpkins? Beta-carotene converts into vitamin A in your body, which fortifies your lungs and shields them from conditions like COPD. Add these orange-hued superfoods to your diet for stronger lungs. 2. Leafy greens. B vitamins, especially folate, are essential for lung health, and leafy greens like kale, mustard greens, spinach, and cauliflower are packed with them. Folate helps protect against bronchitis and asthma while naturally detoxifying your lungs. Make leafy greens a regular part of your meals to keep your lungs clean and healthy. 3. Vitamin C-rich foods. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that defends your lungs against harmful toxins. Studies show that higher vitamin C intake can significantly reduce your risk of lung cancer. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, along with kiwis, strawberries, pineapples, and red bell peppers, are excellent sources. The more vitamin C you consume, the healthier your lungs will be. 4. Ginger. Battling a cold or respiratory infection. Ginger is your go-to remedy. With its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger acts as a natural detoxifier, easing congestion, reducing inflammation, and even helping with asthma symptoms. Make ginger tea or add fresh ginger to your meals to support your respiratory health. 5. Garlic. Garlic is a miracle food for lung health. Thanks to its allicin compound, garlic acts as a natural antibiotic, clearing up respiratory infections and reducing lung inflammation. It also repairs damage caused by smoking and air pollution. Include garlic in your meals regularly for healthier lungs and improved overall health. 6. Green tea. Green tea isn't just for your heart or brain, it's a lung superfood too. Packed with potent antioxidants, green tea can prevent fluid buildup in the lungs and protect against respiratory diseases. Research from China shows that green tea, like garlic, helps repair lung damage caused by smoking and reduces the risk of lung cancer. Sip on green tea daily for maximum benefits. Your lungs work tirelessly to keep you breathing and thriving. By incorporating these 6 foods into your diet, you can protect them from harmful toxins and improve your overall respiratory health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit from these tips, and leave us a comment below with your favorite lung-friendly food. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health videos. See you in the next one. Stay healthy and take care.